This is the Kernowo soldering iron kit. It comes with several tips. It comes with some flux. It comes with solder. And also is a stand for the soldering iron and a sponge here to wipe the soldering iron. To start it, press that. And I was using this a little earlier, and I kind of set it at 680 or 580. Like that. It stops at 580. So it has the ability to regulate itself. Now we're going to solder some wires together here. A little flux. Tin the wires a little, maybe. Well, this is kind of heavy work for a small iron like this. It's probably more adapted to circuit boards and so forth. So right now, I don't have it really hot enough. So we're gonna just hit the plus button here and get that temperature up to 630. See what happens here. Obviously, this works. This may not be the best way to show it working. Well, let's try a higher temperature here. There's 714 Fahrenheit, and it will flash until it reaches 714, and then it stops. Oops, I'm sorry. There you go. So it has set itself to 714, and there we go. Like I say, this is kind of heavy work for it. I'm not an expert at soldering, obviously. So, there you have it, more or less. This sponge did not come with a kit, but a long press on the star button turns it off. And that is an example of how this works.